First, unscrew and remove the magazine tube and the spring. Next, remove the barrel and the fore end. Remove the bolt handle by pulling it out and then remove the bolts. Next, remove the trigger group by pushing this pin through and then sliding the trigger group out from underneath. Using a small punch or the rear end of a small drill bit, push this pin out. If it's never been removed before, it may be quite tight and require a firm tap to remove it. Once the pin is removed, you can remove the old shell latch. Make sure you keep hold of the old spring. Take the new two-piece shell latch and apply a thin layer of gun oil to it. Make sure to coat all surfaces. Place the spring in the pocket of the shell latch. This is the same spring that you took out of the gun earlier. Insert the shell latch into the gun. It's really important at this point to slide the shell latch back and forward to ensure the spring locates properly and is fully centred. Align the hole in the shell latch with the hole in the receiver and reinsert the pin. Double check that the shell latch is seated properly. To reinsert the trigger group, hold the bolt release button in while you reinsert the trigger group from underneath. To secure the trigger group, reinsert the pin. Take the new spring that you received from us and place it over the shaft of the bolt release button. Use the M4 bolt that you received from us to install the bolt release button. Take the bolts and reinsert it. Reinsert the bolt release handle and lock the bolt back. Next, reinstall the barrel. Reinstall the magazine tube spring and screw the magazine tube on. Check for function using brand new dummy rounds. Old or worn out dummy rounds may give a false result. Press the cartridge drop lever and make sure the round releases properly. If the cartridge drop lever doesn't release the round properly and you're definitely using brand new rounds, this section of the hole in the receiver needs to be opened up slightly. You can do this using a file or a rotary tool. Once you've made the adjustment, reassemble the gun as before and check for function. Once installed, check for function again and ensure that this spring does not bear against the hole in the receiver. That's all there is to it. We hope you enjoy your new two-piece shell latch. If you need any help, don't hesitate to contact us.